Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Toyota Matrix. This is a 5-passenger all-wheel drive hatchback in gray, driving on 16-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Toyota Matrix includes 3M on the front bumper, hood, fenders, and all 4 door cups. Other great features includes heated mirrors and roof rails with crossbars. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side. Take a look in the front first. You can see you do have heated mirrors with this Matrix. If you take a look inside the door here, right up top you have your power windows and locks with a little bit of storage space on the bottom of the door here. Of course, next to the door you'll also find your power adjustable side mirrors. Now this Matrix comes equipped with black cloth seating, all weather mats, and on the bottom you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. We have our key fob here. We're going to start this Matrix off. We're going to start on the left side of the steering wheel first. Right here you have your audio controls. You also have this mode button which allows you to cycle through your different audio options. If you take a look on the right side, you do have your cruise control right behind the steering wheel. If we take a look in the odometer, you can see this Matrix has 75,970 kilometers on it. If we move on to our infotainment system, right now we are on the Bluetooth option. If we go into audio, of course you have your standard AM and FM options. And if we go into all, you also have choices like CD, USB, auxiliary, and you can connect your phone through Bluetooth, of course. Down below that is the climate control system. You have these nice sturdy turning dials. You'll also find your AC button on the center, in the dial on the center. In the center on the right dial over here. Moving past our shifter here, we have some storage compartments on the bottom. This is where you'll also find your 12-volt outlet, your USB, and auxiliary. Taking a look inside the back here, right on the bottom, we have some storage just like the driver's side. Of course, we're continuing with the black cloth seating and the all-weather mats. Now, these rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle here in the corner, or a little button that we pull upwards. Seats will fold flat, giving you access to your cargo. Now, to access the cargo of this Matrix, there is a little button here right under the Toyota emblem. If we give that a press, that'll open up nice and easy. If we take a look inside, you can see you have plenty of storage space just to get this cargo mat as well to protect the fabric underneath. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will give you that extra bit of room as well. Taking a last look at our Toyota Matrix, once again, some of those great interior features includes your cruise control, Bluetooth capabilities, touchscreen, and power windows, locks, and mirrors. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.